Hello everybody, welcome to Merry Balloons. Today we will see how to make a giraffe, for which we will use a hand pump and yellow 260 balloon, one marker and scissors if required. So we will start off. Now let's give a good stretch for this balloon and we'll inflate, leaving approximately 6 to 7 finger tail. After leaving the tail of 6 to 7 fingers, we'll tie the knot. And if you have any doubts on how to tie the knot, I have a video on how to tie the knot easily, so do check out my channel. And now let's give a good squeeze and a stretch, and we will measure approximately 4 to 5 finger bubble, and we will twist the first bubble, and we'll hold the first bubble like this between our little finger, and we'll twist another bubble approximately 2 or 2.5 fingers and twist a small bubble, one more small bubble. Let the two small bubbles be similar in size, so adjust accordingly, and another 2 finger bubble. Now let's twist these 4 bubbles together. So these will be like the horns for a giraffe. So head and the horns are ready. We'll give a good squeeze and we'll try to push all the air till the end, almost till the end. So we can squeeze like this and push all the air to the end of the tail so that there won't be any tail left. So you can adjust like this. This way the balloon also will be soft. Now we will start twisting from the end of the balloon. So let's twist a small bubble like this and hold it, don't let go, and let's twist 4 finger bubble and one more 4 finger bubble, and we will lock it in this manner so that this will be the tail and the legs of a giraffe. We'll give a good squeeze and make sure the balloon is not tight. And now we'll twist one little longer one, maybe 5 finger to 6 finger bubble. So that will be the body of the giraffe. And we'll twist 2 more bubbles like this, approximately 5 to 6 fingers. The front legs of a giraffe is ready. That's it, very simple and easy. Do try making this. Very simple, easy, one balloon giraffe. Now coloring time. Use a marker. Let's draw the eyes. If you want, you can stick eyes stickers too. We'll make small cute little eyes. In your own style you can do it. The way you like you can draw. We'll make a small smiley face for our giraffe. So now let's draw some patches. The giraffe has a lot of patches, different patterns. So let's draw various shapes or patterns, and we'll fill those so it will look like the patches on a giraffe, and it look beautiful and nice. So I hope you liked this video. Do not forget to pop the thumbs up and do share with your friends. And if you have still not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Do try making this simple, easy giraffe. You can fix it to a headband, or you can use it as a bracelet, or you can make it as a centerpiece. You can stick it on the walls as it is like this. You can make these as your return gifts for your children's birthday parties. So I'm sure all the children will love to receive balloons as some return gifts, or balloon animals as return gift. So do try making these. It's very simple and easy. It's like making a dog. Do check out my channel for how to make a dog. Just make a bend like this on the neck so that it will have a good shape. You can even ask your children to make these simple designs. I hope you enjoyed. So see you soon with some more designs. So till then, keep trying and happy twisting.